Hello everyone, namaste. Welcome back to the channel. Today's reading is for the Pisces. So let's check out what is the energy for the Pisces today. Okay, the cards are jumping out already. So, guys, this is a general timeless reading. So, take what resonates only and leave the rest. But if you're interested in one on one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Also, if you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon so that you can get new notification about the new videos. So let's pull few more cards to check the energy for the Pisces today. Okay, we have the aces here, the pentacles and the cup. Okay, my spirit guides and angels, please give me more card for the Pisces today. What are the energies for the Pisces? So it's looking like a lot of fresh opportunities aligning for you both, in your external world and your internal world also, like in terms of your prosperity or property, like in your finances, and also in terms of your relationships. Okay, definitely new beginnings and new partnership for you, Pisces. The coins are giving that new venture, new job offer, a new financial blessing for you, that is something tangible, something special, stable, sorry, that is ready to grow for it's like a seed of prosperity you're going to sow, so you just have to plant it and nurture it. And with that cup, so it's like overflowing. See, look at your cup here, so it brings that emotional renewal energy for you. So the start of a new soulful connection, a deep healing for you. It's a card of divine love and intuition. So the heart is opening wide, your heart chakra is wide open right now. And you are ready to receive and to give as well. Okay, we'll pull more cards. So let's see what else we have here. So this combination together, is very powerful, indicating that emotional and financial abundance for you. Okay, my sweet guides and angels, please give me more cards. What are the energies, the messages for the Pisces today? What else we have? So, guys, you may be starting something that nourishes both your heart and your future, and that's very stable here. Okay, a very okay, we have got this once. Okay, so you are definitely that job that fulfills you, a new home or a relationship, that is both secure and also spiritual aligned with you. Okay, so you need to trust your intuition and stay grounded here. Okay, you are being gifted something very beautiful here, so don't overthink it or don't hold back, whatever you are receiving. Also, the Six of Wands is, a confirmation card for you. Also, okay, we have the King of Swords here. So, victory is yours, as the wands are telling. So, it's kind of, recognition, that success and public appreciation, okay, that is coming to your way. Your efforts are finally paying off here. So people are definitely noticing your light here, or going to notice, and you're not just starting something, you're winning at it. Just look at the Six of Wands, the guy riding that horse. Okay, so everyone is praising him. Okay, so your new start will be both emotionally and materially rewarding for you, and you will be celebrated by all for that. And with a very beautiful message here, whether in your career or relationship, or this is your self growth. Okay, what in the world, like we have got the moon card for the Pisces reading. So this is a confirmation for the Pisces reading with the moon card, that is a Pisces card. I think Pisces, there are things that are not yet visible to you. You have this foggy vision. That emotional depths, it's the like illusions, or maybe a fearing beneath the surface. Okay, so don't ignore your intuition. You might be receiving those signs and uh, messages in your dreams, and you got feelings telling you that. So not everything will be revealed to you at once, but trust that the truth is unfolding definitely. So let the clarity and mystery coexist, but you also have this King of Swords, so it's like clearing that brain fog for you. So you are navigating both the seen and the unseen right now. Okay, so King is here to, as a reminder for you to stay clear minded and use your wisdom and communication skills as well. Okay, to lead this next phase of your life. So maybe you have this delusional mindset, but king is also, sword is telling you to balance both. Okay, you may need to make decisions with your head as much as your heart. So clarity and truth will guide you here. Okay, your intuition will guide you. So you're definitely, stepping into that uh, season of abundance for you, the joy and, the recognition, whether in terms of your career or relationships, or it your self growth. Okay, this reading is so awesome. Just look at the sequence of the cards here. Okay, it is telling us full story of your transformation, a new beginning there you got. Okay, in terms of relationships or your finances with that aces, and then okay, you are being rewarded for it. Okay, recognized for it. But on the way, if you have any such illusions or things are not clear yet, so you have the sword here to clear that for you, that mental clarity. Okay, so a new beginning which is not just successful on the outside but deeply healing and intuitive for you on the inside also, Pisces. So definitely you're rising, with strength and soul, and you have that sharp vision at this time. Okay. So it also depends on how you approach it. Okay. You are definitely given a choice here. Okay. With that ace. But remember that it is just a beginning, and your actions and whatever choices you take, that will determine how far this can grow and how sustainable you can make it. Okay. This is like the first step. Okay, and you are being guided towards something, if for the cups, if we talk about that, so emotionally aligned with your soul, it is like the new love, like, okay, healing and that creative inspiration coming to you. Okay, or in terms of your spiritual connection, so they are flowing towards you. So if you think you have been hurt, or you are emotionally drained at this time, so like the moon is telling, so this is like healing coming for you. Okay, and definitely the victory after the struggle is there for you. So you are either overcoming a silent battle that you have fought so far, or achieved a milestone, that deserves recognition now. So you have worked hard on that, uh, so it's like acknowledging your strength. You're stepping into your spotlight and people are watching with respect. Remember that. Once who ignored you, okay, those people are now going to praise you for the efforts you have put in so far. And what else for the Pisces, my spirit guide changer? Why is the moon card here? What else we have for the moon card here? Let's see. Okay. So, yes, Pisces, definitely. I think you're juggling with your emotional and your practical aspects here. Okay. We have this two of coins here. So, you're definitely juggling two energies at a time, I think. You're outside and you're inside, so you're standing on that crossroad, a very, crucial moment of powerful beginnings. But, you are balancing while navigating these shifts. This reveals, you're juggling two aspects of your life right now. Maybe your career and love, or your finances and your health, and definitely your inner world versus your outer world. Your emotional needs versus your, responsibilities, as Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. So you're trying to keep it all flowing all at once. Okay, you are overbearing, and you are doing it with grace, but it's not effortless. It's sometimes it's exhausting. So you are trying to decide between two opportunities, I think. Maybe one that fulfills you emotionally, and other one that, that is financially stable for you. And that is what I'm getting. So you are definitely learning to manage life changes and, maintaining that harmony. uh you even let go of what no longer serves you, I think. Don't, overexert yourself. So align with your inner truth, what your heart says, what your inner conscience confirms, you do that. Okay, so being flexible and, is the key here. also, emotionally grounded. So try to ground yourself. Okay. There's you know uh, a choice between success and your soul purpose, I think. But you do have to be mindful of where your energy is flowing currently, and where you want to turn it. So don't let uh, outer hustles and busyness uh, subdue your inner wisdom here. You are definitely getting signs and good insights in your dreams and visions, with those lucid dreams. So prioritize that, what nourishes both your heart and your future as well. Okay. Any more cards? One more card for the Pisces, guides and angels. Anything more for the Pisces today? For the Pisces energy, what are the more? Okay, the Emperor. Okay, Pisces. I think it's the reading is very much full of this masculine energy. So it's like where the masculine energies are overlapping all this whole reading for you. So definitely this emperor has now changed whole thing here. This is like power structure, the divine authority. So this is definitely the card of that leadership, grounded. And yeah, this is like massive energetic upgrade for you, Pisces. Okay, the awakening, the alignment, and you're extending towards a higher purpose. So this is not a a normal thing. The universe is guiding you. Okay, from behind the curtains to fully step into this personality of yours. This authoritative power of yours. So this is like a divine structure for that authority, leadership, and confidence. So this is like full of that masculine energy. Divine masculine is rising. Also, we have the guidance from our angels and sun and masters here, and it's telling the same story for you. It looks like you're not just starting something new, but you are breaking those generational chains. Okay, look at these cards, and you are reclaiming your voice, and you are like healing your chain of generations. Okay, so it's time to release those karmic baggages, and if some kind of past life attachments you have, the cards here are telling that no longer serves your future. So you are not bound by your past. Step into freedom and more clarity. This is definitely choosing your soul's truth and your soul purpose. Two more cards from our ancestors guidance. So here we have shield maiden and sky father. See, Pisces, it is telling you to make plans and focus and trust in the unknown. See, this sky father resonates with your moon card. So this is like Skyfather is that ultimate divine masculine, the energy of the universe, of protection, authority, and that fatherhood, cosmic fatherhood. So it is the sign that you are being supported by divine forces. Your ancestors are supporting you uh, beyond what you can see. Okay, so you don't need to know every detail. You are definitely protected here. Trust that divine path that is unfolding for you. Okay, it's like calling you to surrender. Okay, and let your inner wisdom and divine timing lead the way. Okay, and also now is not the time to drift, it's time to take action. Okay, so if on the way you have little confusions, but don't stop here and don't quit. Commit to your goals and create a clear path forward. Okay, this maiden is telling you to not second guess anything. Okay, no more emotional overwhelm here. You are being guided to stand in your power and fearlessly move forward. Okay, with the plans that matters to your soul purpose. Okay, and not what is visible in this physical world. Okay, so you are definitely divinely protected here and empowered, and spiritually charged. Look at these cards from our guides. So it is like giving you that extra layer of protection here in terms of your courage and guidance. So Pisces, if it is required, connect to your lineage. Maybe a family wound or pattern can be healed now. Okay. The white eagle is reminding you, okay, that part of the emotional depth you are facing, with that moon. And you need to seek balance with the coins. Okay. So you are on the verge of breaking those generational curses, those cycles, and you're not just healing yourself, you are healing your entire bloodline here. So many, so much of responsibility on your shoulders right now, Pisces, and only Pisces can do that. Okay. So you are breaking cycles with love and grace, definitely, and you are ascending. So move into your true self, rise above the darkness. The light is here. What a beautiful message from the Serapis Bay here. You are leveling up in terms of your power because you have got that Emperor and the King card, okay? So your wisdom, you have that, and you have the ability to lead. And on the way, you need to release, karma, some kind of, so move beyond any kind of drama and make room for good energy here, create your own path. So it is a Saint Germain message, like in form of this King of Sword energy. It's time to release karmic baggages and any kind of emotional attachments, and they are no longer serving you. So it is reminding you to you're not bound by your past. So it's step into freedom. And now with these all guided messages and uh, cards, you are definitely ascending, and you're walking your path with that ancestral strength here. Okay. What a beautiful and very strong messages here. Very insightful reading this is. You are being called to rise as both the warrior and the mystic here, Isis. So I hope you resonate with this and you will get some good insights from this reading. Um, I am very happy that I could pull these beautiful cards for you guys. So thank you for watching. Meet you next time. Namaste.